2006 question 3, projectiles question on an inclined plane. So same diagram for all these questions. Your particle is projected up. We have a horizontal and we have an inclined plane. The line of projection makes an angle of 30 with the plane. That's in here. And the plane is inclined at 30 to the horizontal. So nice easy question in 2006. So in here we have my u cos alpha, my initial vector, in the I direction, plus u sine alpha in the j direction. So we have 30 cos of alpha. Cos of 30 is root 3 over 2. So that's root 3 over 2 u in the I direction. And the sine of 30 is 1 over 2 u over 2 in the j direction. And my acceleration, as you all know, comes from in here. So my acceleration minus g sine 30 minus g over 2 and minus g cos 30 minus g times root 3 over 2. So if we look for the time of flight, we're looking for the range, so we need the time of flight first. When is s of y equal to 0? ut plus a half at squared. So my u over 2 is my u times t minus 1 over 2 times root 3 g over 2 times t squared. It's going to be equal to 0. Factor out your t to get u over 2 minus root 3 gt over 4. And then solve for t. This is my initial before it takes off, time of flight. And then here I'm going to get u over 2 is going to be equal to root 3 gt over 4. So 4u over 2 times root 3g is equal to t, which is 2u over root 3g. So that's the time taken. So now I need to sub this into s of x. S of x is equal to ut plus a half at squared as well. So my u for the I direction, or x, is root 3u over 2 times t, which is 2u over root 3g minus 1 over 2, and then put a and it's positive, so no messing around with signs, and that's g over 2 times t squared, which will be 4u squared on top, and on the bottom we're going to have 3g squared. So some cancellations here. My root 3's and my 2's cancel over here, so I'm just going to get u squared over g. My two 2's will cancel with my 4, and the g on top will knock off the squared, so I'm just going to get u squared over 3g. So that's 1 full u squared over g minus 1/3 of u squared over g, so that will be 2/3 of u squared over g for my range.